Hello everyone, welcome to Concept. My name is Dharmendra. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic. Okay, I literally thought about this and I thought I should share this topic with you because a lot of us are facing this kind of issue every time, every day. Okay, so let's talk about which topic I am talking about. Okay, so I am talking about never give up. It is my personal favorite phrase. Okay, so why I am talking about never give up? Okay, so never give up in trading and investing. Okay, trading and investing. See, okay, so I see a lot of people, they quit every day. Okay, or they quit after some times, after doing some trading and investment. Okay, they think about it is not for them. Okay, so let me share you the reason why they think like that. Okay, why they think like that, and also I will share you some other perspective also, that why they should not give up. Okay, what they can do to rectify those things, what the market has done, and why market is not the thing which you should give up. Okay, so let's let's discuss about that. Okay, so never give up in trading and investment. Okay, so I see lot of people, they do trading. Okay, let's talk about trading. Okay, I just rub this. Okay, and also I just type just above. Okay, never give up. Okay, never give up. All right. Never give up. Okay, see, lot of people do trading and investment. Okay, so let me show you how they do trading and how they do the investment and what we can do to rectify their mistakes. So all right, so first topic is about trading. Okay, so there are a lot of tradings. Okay, so most popular one is intraday. Okay, so in intraday, usually they buy a stock and they sell the stock on the same day. Okay, now there are various ways to buy and sell. Okay, I mean I'm talking about the strategies. All right, so here on intraday they buy the stock and they sell the stock on the same day. Okay, so they do trading in stocks and they do trading in derivatives also, currencies, and also crypto. Okay, crypto. All right, so in stocks, derivatives, there are various regulations to do the trading in these sectors, in these instruments. Okay, so usually people do the trading in two instruments most popularly, stock and derivatives. Okay, so there are various ways to find the stocks. Okay, what they usually do, most people. Okay, let me share you my experience also, let me share you some other people experience also. In initial day when they start taking the trade, okay, what they do, they work generally on the tips. Okay, generally on the tips, because they have nothing, no idea, I'm sorry, not nothing, no idea about these stocks and derivatives, how they work. Okay, so they usually trade on the basis of tips. Okay, someone has provided the tips on the basis of stocks, someone has provided the tips on the basis of derivatives. Now why people enter into these instruments? Okay, they are lucrative. There are I can say fake profit screenshot. They circulate it around in Telegram and also in Facebook, also on WhatsApp. Okay, also through the messages, that I have bought this stock at 10 rupees. Now I am selling it at 100. Now I am selling it at 200. I bought for particular stock at 200. Now it is quoting at 400 or 500 something. Okay, now see, we are not able to capture the larger profit. Okay, we are not able to capture the larger profit, because at some point of time I will sell my stock, but there are many ways, there are possibilities that it might go beyond that particular point. Okay, so here usually they go for those fake screenshot. Okay, and they start taking the trade. Okay, they just subscribe their channel, they just subscribe their services, okay, they pay some amount and they get the tips from that particular service provider and they start taking the trade. Now, why they fail in these instrument, okay, why they fail? First of all, they don't know about strategy, okay, that what strategy they are applying, okay, they don't know about the strategy, what strategy they are applying, first and most important thing. Second, money management. Okay, money management. Why money management is important? Let's just say I have 10 lakh rupees, okay, so am I going to invest the whole 10 lakh rupees in this particular script? Not at all, okay, not at all. How I do the investing? I go with the 35 and at the end 30%, okay. I initially invest 35%, then I'll wait for it. If it comes to my favorable price, okay, set price, I'll buy the stock, okay. If it move beyond, let the 35% stay invested in that particular script and it will give me the profit as per my expectation, okay. Now, money management is important. What people usually do, they bring 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees and they start taking the trade with the whole amount and they eventually lose the money, okay, because in the stocks they just don't give the tips on the basis of the strategy, already perceived strategy, whatever the strategy they have made. They also go around with some pump and dump scheme also, because there are a lot of undervalued stock, okay, undervalued stock, penny stocks which has no value at all, okay. They just want to pump this stock to go higher and they just dump at the higher price, okay. So be aware of these scamsters. They usually send the message, okay, that you should buy that particular stock and sell, it will give you huge amount, okay. We have seen the movies like that, okay, where we have conned by some people, okay. So usually people go with the stock like this, and also derivatives. Why people go with the derivatives? Because less capital is required and the potential profit is higher because of volatility, okay. But without understanding derivative, without understanding how it works, we should not enter in that segment at all, okay. Now we'll go with the currencies, okay. Now the currency pairs, apart from INR, okay, apart from INR, USD and whichever the currency pairs is paired with the INR, that is only allowed in Indian market, okay. Apart from that, we are not allowed to trade at all, okay, as per RBI regulations. Crypto is regulated. Crypto usually people go, but we see the volatility is low, okay. Only in BTC the volatility is high, but without strategy we should not go with that, okay. Now we have discussed about the instrument, we have discussed why people fail, okay. Money management and also risk management, okay. Risk management, okay. I have written the short form, risk management. Why people fail at risk management also? Because they don't know where to keep the stop loss, okay. Even the stop loss is hit, sometimes a broker will tell you buy it again, okay, buy it again, it will go up again, and buy with a double quantity. There people lose money, okay. So this is about trading, okay, in intraday, okay. Now this kind of trading is also happen in swing trading, and BTST also. That means buy today, sell tomorrow, okay. So in BTST, people usually buy the stock like before 3:30, between 3 to 3:30, and they sell it tomorrow when the market opens at 9:15, or maybe after that 9:30 or 10, okay. So this is about BTST. Swing trading, people usually buy a particular stock and hold it for few days where they get the huge amount, okay. Now this is about trading, and I have talked about why people fail, okay. I have talked about why people fail, okay. So if you are failing like this, so should you give up? Not at all, okay. Whenever we are failing at something, we should see where we are lacking, why I am failing, what I have done, okay. Just check the procedure whether you have given your 100% or not, okay. You should check that, and just do opposite of that, and you can do some changes in that, and you can see the results. Okay. See, in every business or in every work, in every field, okay, any field you can talk about. See, I cannot say that if I'll give 100%, okay, then I'll be successful every time. Okay, it is not like that. But if I'll give my 100%, then the result will be different, which is right now. Okay, if I'm not putting 100% at all, the result will be dead. I know that. Okay, we will fail. But if I'll give 100%, there might be the result will be different. Okay. Now, so we have talked about intraday. Okay. Now we should talk about investment. Okay. We should talk about investment. I have given you a little glimpse about the investment. Okay. Investment. Okay. Now, see, as we have talked about, people work on tips, so it goes with the investment also. Okay. Investment also, people usually get the tips from their service provider. Okay. From the service provider, most of the tips goes for the penny stocks, or maybe some stocks like the volatility is very low. Okay. They go with that. Okay. So they will give you the tips. Okay. Invest particular amount in this. Okay. Now, whenever we are investing in some stocks, okay, there are two ways of investing. First of all, there are two stocks. One is with the FNO and non-FNO. Okay, future and option. N means I'm sorry, not N. FNO, futures and options. Okay. Now, the FNO stocks, okay, which have derivative segment also. So we can hedge that particular portfolio. If I am going with the non-FNO stock, I have to hedge it with the index options and futures. Okay. So there are ways to hedge these portfolios. Okay. Now, see, people usually buy stock and they hold it for the longer time. Okay, longer time. See, but here you are investing huge amount, or maybe you are investing on the basis of SIP, that month on month basis. Okay. So let's just say I am investing 50,000 a month. Okay. That means for a year I am going to invest 6 lakh rupees year on year basis. Okay. So shall I go ahead with the tips provided by service provider, or I should go with the studies? Okay, studies done by me or some professionals. Okay, see, it is not necessary that all service providers are bogus, but most of the scammers, they send you the messages. Okay, send you the messages on Telegram and on personal messages also. See, we have the service providers, okay, like portfolio management services, hedge funds. There are various ways to invest amount. There are various service providers, there are various professionals who will provide you the services. Okay. So if I'll go with those bogus platforms, I will lose my whole amount. Okay. So you can see how I am losing my amount, and how I am losing my patience, and also my morale is going down. And this is why I quit trading every time. This is why every trader quits trading every time. Okay. Also they go with the huge amount. Okay. And when they are making losses every day, so in sometimes like 2 months, 6 months, or 1 year, they quit. Okay, they quit because they are making losses consistently. Okay, they are not making profit. Okay, so instead of working why I am making losses, they go with the same plan, and they think, okay, it will work today, it will work today, it will work today. See, stock market is not a lottery system where you will just throw your money and you will get the lottery. Okay, you need to work on it, you need to study on it. Okay, if you are not going with the intraday strategy, okay, first understand why you are doing this. Okay, now here I have explained you why people lose money. Okay, why people usually lose money on intraday, swing trading, BTST and investment. Okay, now I am going to rectify it. Okay, I am going to rectify it. Okay, how I am going to rectify it, just we will take a look. First, why I am doing this? First question is why. okay, investing, intraday, trading, everything. Why I am doing this? Everyone knows that to earn money, okay, to earn money, to appreciate my asset, to increase my asset, we are doing that, okay. So why? To increase the asset, okay. So income, all right, wealth creation. These are the common perception, these are the common expectation from the stock market, all right. So usually I am doing trading for asset purchasing, for income growth, for wealth creation, okay. That is my expectation from the stock market. So I know why I have to do, all right. Now I should know how I should do, all right, how to do it, all right, how. Okay. Now when it comes to how, all right, so usually people go with the tips provider, okay. They see the fake screenshot on the Facebook, they see the fake screenshot on Instagram and also on the Telegram, and they get the scamsters message and they go with that, okay. That is not the way, that is not the way. See, there are various books, which will teach you how to invest, how to do the trading, okay. It is not like it doesn't work, okay, most of the people, because see, most of the people don't understand how it works. The reason is expectation, okay. Whatever you are expecting, okay, whatever you are expecting, in how many days, in how many years you are expecting, okay. Like we are doing jobs, we are doing businesses, okay. So it is my job, it is my duty to understand how I can scale up my business, how I can scale up my earning through my job, right. See, usually whenever people are doing job, they get 10-20% hike every year, standard procedure, okay, and they jump from one company to another company, 20-30% return, sometimes 50% returns, okay, basis on the skills. If they want to increase it, okay, by 50%, they should have required skills, right. So here also, okay, when you want to appreciate your asset, when you want to increase your income, you should improve your skills, okay. See, market usually gives you 12-15% returns, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty or any other instrument, okay, regulated instrument, okay, which is regulated by SEBI. It will give you 12-15% return. Now if it is giving you 12-15% return, if you are looking to outperform it, then you should increase your skills. Like hedge funds do that, okay, they usually target for 20%, okay. So they are increasing their strategy, they are increasing their money management, they are increasing their risk management. That is how they are able to make it, okay. If you are expecting, no, I'll be millionaire or billionaire within months or within a year, then you are dead wrong. We know that, okay, we know that, we have seen every time, and there are numerous examples, you will find it, there are numerous examples, okay. Like, it is also not like that if you are bringing like 100 crore, you will get 100 crore in a month or in a year. It doesn't work like that, okay, it doesn't work like that. You need to work on your skills, you need to work on your patience level, you need to work on a psychology. I have created a video on psychology, so you can go and watch it, okay. You will understand why psychology is important, why mindset is important, okay. Now I know how, okay, like I know like why I am doing this, okay. Now why I am doing this, how I can do this, all right. Before like after why, what I want, like what means expectation from this, how much return I want, 12, 15, 20% return, okay. Now how I am going to do that, okay. So first of all, if you are going to do that, most important thing over here is study, okay. So study how to invest, study how to trade, study how to generate intraday trading setup, okay, BTST, whatever trading you want to do, okay. Just understand whether you are be able to do that or not, okay. Why I am saying this, because we have certain amount of time, okay, dedicated to some certain job, or I can say some certain aspects of work, all right. So here we have some dedicated time, okay. So if you want to dedicate some times do the trading. Okay, let's just say you have like spare amount of 3 to 5 hours in a day, so you can go ahead with the intraday trading. Okay, now at what time you will be able to do? Let's just say in the morning, if you are available, you can go with NSE or BSE. All right, you can go ahead with the morning trades. Okay, if you are available in the evening, then you should go with the commodities. All right, if you are available in second half, like after 2 or 3, you can go ahead with the currencies. Okay, crypto is running 24/7, you can go ahead with the cryptos also. But here to study, okay, first understand at what time you will be available. So according to that, you will develop your strategy, develop your risk management, develop your money management. Okay, that is how you are going to do that. After that, you should do back testing. After that, you should do back testing, because see, on the basis of back testing, you will get this, you will get this also. See, back testing will tell you what is your strike ratio. That means out of 10 trades, how many trades are successful? 5, 6, 7. Unless it reaches to 6 or 7, we should not go with that strategy. Okay, unless also the reward to risk ratio, reward to risk ratio, if it is like 1:2, then only you should go ahead with that. 1:1, it will not work. 1:2, 1:3, 1:1.5 is also good. You will grow with steady pace, but you will grow. Okay, so it should be greater than 1:1. Okay, 1:1.5. Okay, that means if I am looking at the losses of 500, you should look at the profit of 750 rupees. Also, if you are looking like for 1:2, if you are looking for losses at 500, you should look for profit at 1000. So that is how you are going to do the back testing. That is how you are going to analyze what is the strike ratio. That is how you are going to analyze what is your reward to risk ratio. Okay, once you get that, you will calculate ROI, return on investment. Okay, so let's just say return on investment, you have 10 lakh rupees, and on the basis of 1:1.5 ratio, okay, you are getting, let's just say you can say in the year, okay, or like let's just say in a month, okay, in a month around 10,000 rupees. Okay, in a month you are getting 10,000 rupees. Just I am taking imaginary figure. Okay, 10,000 rupees. Okay, so in a year you will get 1,20,000. That means you are generating 12% profit. Now you want to outperform this, you need to increase your skill, you need to increase the lot size. Then afterwards you enter from stock to derivative segment. Okay, now derivative segment is very risky, highly volatile, but to increase your what you want, okay, from 12 to 20%, then you should enter into derivatives market. All right, in derivatives market you will be able to increase your you can say expectation. Okay, but it is very risky. You should go with the caution, you should go with the strategy. All right, now I have talked about derivatives. So this is the concept application. All right, so you will get everything in concept application. If you want to go with the data, you will get the data in track. Okay, just a minute. All right, if you go with the track, you will get option data, you will get futures data to analyze the stocks. Okay, to analyze the stock, to analyze the market. Okay, if you go with analyze, you will get in-depth knowledge. Okay, in-depth knowledge about option Greeks. Okay, you will get the implied volatility, you will get the price and volume, you will get the expiry, you will get the PCR data. Okay, and also if you want to go with the indicators, okay, that for investing and for swing trading, you can go ahead and the trading tool, you will get quant model. On the basis of mathematical calculation, you will get various indicators to buy and sell the stock, to do the option writing also, to do the option buying also. Okay, so I hope you liked my session, whatever I have explained you. Okay, never give up on trading, never give up on trading and investment. Okay, I hope you like my video. I hope you have liked my content. Please like and share if you like. And if you want any clarification, if you have any doubts regarding the concept tool, just call on the number mentioned above. You will get every details. This is Dharmendra Rajbal. Thank you very much.